I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Little Lion Man on the ukulele. First, let's get familiar with the essential chords. You'll primarily use four simple chords: C, G, M, and F. The C chord is played with your third finger on the third fret of the A string. For G, place your first finger on the second fret of C, second finger on the second fret of E, and third finger on the third fret of A. M uses your second finger on the second fret of G. Finally, F requires your first finger on the first fret of E and second finger on the second fret of G. Practice these shapes until they feel comfortable. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's feel. The primary pattern is a simple down, down, up, up, down. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and your strokes even. You can count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, with the downstrokes on 1, 2, and 4, and the upstrokes on the ands after 2 and 3. Practice this rhythm slowly with just the C chord until it feels natural and consistent. This will build a solid foundation for the entire song. The beauty of Little Lion Man on the ukulele is its straightforward chord progression. Both the verse and the chorus follow the same four-chord sequence: C, G, M, and F. You'll play each chord for one full measure, applying the strumming pattern we just learned. So it's C for 4 beats, then G for 4 beats, then M for 4 beats, and finally F for 4 beats. Repeat this sequence throughout the main parts of the song. Focus on making your chord changes clean and timely as you move through the progression. To bring it all together, begin by practicing the chord changes very slowly with the strumming pattern. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. A metronome can be a great tool to help you keep a steady beat. Finally, try playing along with the original recording of Little Lion Man. This will help you internalize the timing and feel of the song. With consistent practice, you'll be playing this fantastic tune in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.